Okay, so you're going to type in Desmos. If it doesn't come up for you automatically, start graphing. You need to sign in. Make sure you sign in with your Google. It might ask you to put your email in there. If you have not started a graph, you need to click and you need to type, your name and whatever you're drawing. And then you're going to start with your lines. There is a keyboard down here for when you do domain and range, or if you need squared. So if you're going to do a circle, and we're going to say, x squared plus y squared equals 9. There I am in the center with my origin with a radius of 9. If you want to do a domain and a range, so maybe you just want a half circle, then you're going to have to use the braces. So if you hit the ABC, the braces are down here. And let's say I only want this top piece. So I'm going to do a range, and I only want from 0 to +4. You have to do this in order from least to greatest. It's a range, so I'm using Y. And I want to go to 4. So there is my half circle. Okay, if you're wanting to do a quarter circle, maybe I only want over here. So now I'm also going to do a domain from -3 to 0. So then I would put in another braces, and I'm doing -3 less than or equal. This is a domain now, so x and then 0. And there's my quarter circle. If you put this in backwards, let's say we're going to do a line through there, and we're going to just say y equals 2x. All right? We can do our braces, but if I don't put them in order, let's say I want to go from 0 to 2. If I put it backwards, even if you use the correct symbol, well, it worked that time. It didn't used to work last year when we did it that way, so you could technically do that. But if you use the wrong symbol here, then it's going to look funky. Then it doesn't show up because this doesn't make sense. All right? Always, always, always make sure you're hitting save. Remember, this is not going to save automatically. When we're done, you'll go to this share graph button. You'll copy your link and you'll put it into, I'll make a assignment on Google Classroom for you to put your link in there so that I can get to your graph. Okay?